I'm officially done taking down my hair, as you can see. I'm using my co-wash as like a detangler slash deep conditioner. I left it in those twists for 6 days. That's the condition that they were in. I wanted to combine like the steam, water, co-wash all together to obviously moisturize my hair, cause less damage. I don't know all the deets with what to do on hair, but my hair feels great. I'm definitely leaving this in tonight, and I will be washing it out of my hair tomorrow after I get back from the gym. For the rest of tonight, I'm going to give me some agua. Probably munch on a little snacky snack. Then I'm gonna lay it down.
So stress can just cause many other health issues. Let's be honest. Not taking care of your hair, not detangling it.
Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna fucking go to sleep again if I don't get up. I'm so good motherfucking morning. It is time to get up. Be great. Start the day. Breakfast, workout. Let's get to it. Woo! Okay, so I'm officially dressed for the motherfucking gym. So it's time to get some breakfast. I'm gonna do breakfast tacos. I have some eggs, avocado, sausage. Cheers. Vaya. This is about to be so fire. Tortilla, cheese, egg on here. Butter in this motherfucking pan. Take the sausage. I'm gonna add a little of this Ortega and some sour cream. Fat ass breakfast taco. All right, cheers. Boy. I'm gonna tell you right now. Wow. Man, cheers, yo. Last bite. It's time to go. Gym is closed. Is it? They said it was closed yesterday and there were people working out. Okay, bet. I'm in the gym, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout done.
glad I'm here, but it's taking more mental strength right now, and I'm only on the first exercise, like.
2 exercises done. My energy's a little weird. We can't do things based off of feelings. I'm gonna end the workout here and go ride my bike. Make better use of my energy. Go ground myself, honestly. Body dysmorphia is really a bit negative energy. Low vibrational energy trying to penetrate my system. Absolutely not. I'm not fucking doing that. I'm going to go ride my bike. Back the fuck at home. Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up. On the road again. I miss you. Wondering if you're saying. Excuse me. It's hot than a motherfucker. After college, yes, you in a. Water's looking crazy. Thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. It's the fucking trenches. Look at this. I never seen one so big. Look at that. All these flowers. Ah! That's so neat. The jungle. Oh! I'm not fucking with the wasps and the bees and shit. It seems like they're fucking with me. I don't know. What the fuck? Bro, I do not fuck with these wasps. Fuck that. I need to cut this motherfucking grass. Fucking bastard. Man, there's a spider. Yeah, it's time to go. Let's try this again. Damn. Okay. Green light, pistol in the party, don't see. I'm drenched. I feel good. Those bugs were kind of freaking me out today. Wasp, I think, was trying to sting me. We back! And this is what I'm looking like, a crazy person. It is time to get some water. So I'm dressed. Rugrats. I'm gonna oil my face. Really, I have not been putting vitamin C and stuff like that on my face. It seems pointless to me, honestly. Pointless until I'm doing like my nighttime. I'm so active and riding my bike, working out, doing all this stuff, like just sweating stuff off of my face, and no. I know people will try to say, oh, oil clogs your pores. Okay, and all of that shit they be putting on their face don't. Like, what the fuck are you saying? Me? I think simple is better, unless you have fucked off skin where you need to see a dermatologist type thing. All that extra stuff seems to be just aesthetics. I just wanted to chat about that real quick, but yeah, I'm done. I have a blemish. Like, what the fuck? Time to get some motherfucking food. We got fire ass taco. Last bite. Cheers. Don't talk to me. This shit's so good. Wow. Very, very happy. Okay, I did not record any of this, but I just did some meditating, did some motherfucking yoga. I wanted to stretch and stuff. I just thought, like, fuck it, let's do some yoga. So, okay, so yeah, I'm about to do my hair and all that stuff. I've been watching like YouTube videos and stuff. I'm about to get back to business, doing some editing and get my hair done, etc., etc.
Come on, where's the trust?
I did everything that I said I was gonna do. Whew. It's definitely time to lay it down. If you have watched till the end, thank you so much.